Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, we'll start now, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Professor, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Good morning again to all. We welcome you all to the session 11 of 5-day online Atal FDP on AR and VR. Now, the session 11 of Atal FDP is wireless displays in educational augmented reality applications by Dr. R. Gandhi, Professor EE and Vice Principal, Nanamani College of Technology, Namakkal. A warm welcome to Dr. R. Gandhi, sir. Welcome, sir. It gives me a great feel of sharing the information about our resource person. He is having 18 years of teaching experience and 3 years of industrial experience. He graduated his BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. He received his ME in Power Electronics and Drives. He received his PhD Power Electronics in 2019 Anna University, Chennai. He has published around 20 research papers in referred Springer and IEEE journals. He is also having 3 patents on his credit. He also acted as a resource person for around 20 technical workshops. With this small introduction, let me hand over the session to our respected resource person, Dr. R. Gandhi. Session over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon to all. First of all, I want to thank our beloved principal and CSE department HOD madam for giving this wonderful opportunity to share few things about the AR/VR. I want to thank Dr. Daplachi madam tell about my intro. I want to thank you, ma'am. Now I going to start my session. On behalf of Ranamani Education Institution, I want to really appreciate all the participants, those who are present in this session. I think this forum is very useful for you after complete this session. Now I am going to present my session. Madam, my slide is visible for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, visible.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Today, I am going to share a few things about wireless displays in educational augmented reality applications. Augmented reality is set up to big impact of major industries nowadays. It is an emerging technology among one of the drivers of the technology and economic one. Augmented reality is the latest and trending technology, the real future of the education industries. Now coming 2025, most of the younger generations use this technology via smartphones, tablets, and computers. Even they know no life without the internet and video games. Few of the guys living with smartphone and interact with their friends and automation system using smart voice assistant in everyday life. Even a morning, they are interact and operate and control the devices via IoT using some voice assistant system before going to the school. It's a lifestyle of the youngsters in 2025. We want to thank the emerging technologies like AR, VR, and MR. MR is nothing but AR integrated with VR, that is called merged reality. Today, most of the classrooms can incorporated with AR and VR content. We know very well. Most of the industrial guys, they are using these technologies for their product in entertainment applications and marketing also. AR, VR role major things. And in education institution also having the big product experience with the AR, VR. The last sessions, our resource person said the things about what is augmented reality, but I want to just give the info about these things. It's a technology expand the physical worlds with a layer of digital information, what we can see with the naked eye. It enhances our surroundings by adding sounds, video, and visual effects like graphics. It will give more value to the system. Normally, we are using interact tool like Google Meet and some other things. Just we can share the voice and audio only, but using augmented reality, we can adding the graphical tool also. It will give the more impact to the session, presentation. So that is the beauty of the augmented reality. Augmented reality opens up a new way for our your device, like our mobile phone, to be helpful throughout the day to find a little experience about the visualization. For example, in our mobile, we want to find out the particular building location. We are using Google Map. Google Map only will show the face value, but by adding AR technologies, it will give more input about the particular place. For example, you are searching Nanamani College of Technology. It will show the building and it will give the latitude longitude value, and also it will give the voice announcement system. All the things are included in the AR. It will give more input to the end user. So that is the main advantages of the augmented reality. How it is work? First, we want to pick the real world sense and give the value added. We want to add the virtual objects into the things via graphical source. Not only in virtual sense, it is equal to environment real things. This is the beauty of the AR. I want to share how it is working with the block diagram. I'm going to explain about the working principle of augmented reality with the existing system using block diagram. You see this block diagram, we having one camera. That camera is connected to image filter. Next point, the visual object database is stored in a server. Otherwise, you can use in the system. That is connected to shared data. That shared data is connected to image filter. Then camera position information is directly fed to the augmented reality. Now the person or the object captured by the camera, it having several number of frames per second. Suppose you consider the still camera means it will give only 1 frame per second. But consider this is the video camera means it having several number of slides per seconds. That slides fitted into single slide. That slide is given to the camera image. That camera image is having some noise. Noise means some unwanted interrupt signals also incorporated with the picture. So using some electronics image filters, we can filter the quality of the image. Depends upon the virtual object database and pixel, it will mix the data and give the augmented reality. This is the basic function of the augmented reality. Normally, without the virtual object database, just we can see the picture in the end of the output.
Sir, one small doubt, sir. Sorry to disturb you, sir.
Yes, sir. Please tell me, sir.
Sir, whether this particular image, whatever you represented, can we do
Yes,
this
sir.
using Simulink, sir?
Yes, sir. Using MATLAB, we can you can filter the things. A lot of tools are available in the MATLAB option also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Please
You
continue.
can use image processing also. You can use it in this process.
Using image processing, sir.
Yeah, using image processor.
But sir,
also
for
possible.
image processing, again, we have to take the feature of algorithm, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Based upon the application, we want to choose the algorithm.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, in my point of view, we want to concentrate in the display system is the main important point of the augmented reality system. Mostly head-mounted display is used for the augmented reality system. You see this picture, you can easily understand how the display is made. Using embedded technology with the sensors, using embedded technologies. It's called HMD. The next one, eyeglasses also used. Eyewear that employees cameras interrupt the real world views and augmented views combined together. It will give the visibility to the persons. Next one, contact lenses. It's contain the element of display using embedded system. You know very well the basic electronics is developed in smart things using programming with controller. It is called embedded. It's having some lens included in the integrated circuits with LED. For we want to transfer the data, we are using antennas for the system for wireless communications. You see this picture. This is very small part. It consists 3 parts. One is called soft contact lens. Then second one is sensor. Then third one is chip antenna. So depends upon the application wise, we can choose the transmission side. Transmission end. For normal applications, we want to transfer the data from within 50 to 75 meters. We are using RF communication is one of the best method. We can use RF communications. Otherwise, we want to transfer the data in a long time manner. We want to use wired also using optical communications. Then the next one is called a digital communication used in the Wi-Fi devices. We can transfer the data. Then using satellite communication also we can possible in the augmented reality applications. But main thing we need the sensor and transmitter unit to transfer the signals. The next one, yeah, virtual rental display. VRD is also called as renal scan display, RSD or renal projectors. It is called display unit. As we know already, we are using in our home, olden days we are using televisions using CRT tubes. Likewise, the same principles is adopted in the virtual renal display system. Here, you see this block diagram. This is the video source. This video source is connected to the drive electrons. In this video source, format is RPG. This RPG signal is given to the drive electronics. You see this block here. Photon generator is generating signal. Then here we are using modulator. You know the role of modulator. Modulator is used to receive the main signal and mixed with the carrier signal. That carrier signal is given to the beam scanning. Depends upon the wavelength. It is project in the optical lens. In this end, we can get the display. So this is the virtual rental display operation. The next, one of the best examples nowadays we are using Google Classes or Simply Class. It is a smart class. It is operated by optical head and mounted display with the shape of bar glasses. The mission of the thing is the signal is received and given to the computer. The glasses display information in the smartphone. It will display in the smartphone. Here, having some wireless contact. The system configuration is 5 megapixel. The camera quality is 720 frames per second. So this is the one best example for display unit in the real-time applications what we are using in the augmented reality in classes. The next one, you already heard the system head-up displays. This head-up display is olden days. We are using 3 components. One is called projector, then second one is called combiner, then third one is called video generator. But nowadays, due to the technology development, we are using micro level chips. In case of LCD, liquid crystal display, then further advancements, liquid crystal on silicon crystal, LCOS also implemented. You know very well. Nowadays, in our home applications or our system desktop monitor, it is made by OLED. Similarly, in this head-up display also, very small size, it made by organic light emitting diodes. Why we are using this organic light emitting diode means it's a very compact one. The pixel also very high. So that's why we are using this OLED systems in Navy and aircraft system. In pandemic situation, in our Corona period, we are using a lot of biomedical equipments, which is also they are using OLED for reading analysis purpose. So this is the one type of display unit used in the augmented reality system. Then the previous sessions, the persons they explained about the handheld and spotlights of the graphical systems used in the display of the mobiles. In display, having two technologies. One is called monitor based, then second one is called head mounted display. In this head mounted display, it is classified into two categories. One is called video see-through, then second one is optical system. I'm going to explain about the simple operation of the monitor based system. Here you see the real world is captured by the camera, then graphical system is included in the virtual object. Here we are using video mixer. Video mixer is combine this graphical system as well as in the real world system. It is given to the argument output. Here is it is mentioned in the dotted line. It is not wireless communication. It is wired communication through fiber optical cables. This is one of the simplest method to monitoring the real.
Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir. Sir, in the earlier slide show, you represented that there is a component called combiner.
Yes, sir.
You
Actually,
in this sheet, sir?
Yeah, I will explain, sir. Previously, I used the word is combiner.
Sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
In this case, I am using video mixer.
Yes, sir. Merging.
We having two kind of signals, sir. Actually, using camera.
Sir.
Normally, using digital HD camera is also available. That data is merged with the carrier signal. That is called first one.
Correct, sir.
Second one, in this picture, this is a normal old method.
Okay.
Nowadays, we are not using this method.
Correct, sir.
In these things, we are using RPG based. What we are using in CRT monitor.
Sir, correct.
Olden days, we are not using the HD camera. We are using just RPG cameras.
Sir.
That RPG signal is mixed with the graphical system using just mixing. In this case, the two signals are combining. That's all.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Clear, sir. Clear.
It is connected to the system via
Yes.
fiber optical communication.
Okay, sir. So it is a wired
This
communication.
electrical. Yes, sir. It's a wired communication. It is olden one.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. This is the another picture how the signals are transmitted and reader from the optical combiner. This is a small element. It is fixed in our head. We can easily visible the real world with the augmented reality signals. It will improve the output in quality manner. This is the HMD things. Here we are using the same thing. The video and signals are combined together. It is connected to the monitor via graphical image. Here we are using a graphical interface card. Previously we are not using the graphical interface card. Here we are using graphical interface card. The simulator output is connected to the camera. That both signals are monitored by the eye. Then one of the best examples in augmented reality, we are using Google Lens. You can usually just using this Google Lens, you just focusing the word, automatically we can get the data from the internet. That is one of the application of Google Lens. Then next one in Google search also augmented realities are going to already implemented. You can go to AR in Google search. Now we can use AR in 3D digital offsets also in our website. You just mention that name of the rat. Automatically, it will give several count of data. First, it will give the 3D objects. Then The movement also I'm using stills, but I'm not having the video source. Just why I splitted the video pictures. You see the first it will come in the 3D picture. The next one it will move in the from up and down in the table. Then third one it will give the web page. It will give the entire detail about the rat. So this is the one of the important application of Google search in AR tool placed in the Google search. So this is also one of the best example. The next one, nowadays we are using Google Maps. In Google Maps, it will shows the place and distance and how much time it is required to travel to reach the place. But in this system, we are giving the value-added system. We are adding the graphical interface system of augmented reality. We can quickly orient ourselves which way we want to go to direction overload right from the top of the word. Even it will give the, you see this picture, it will give the direction of the route map as well as it will give the, it will shows the real time image of the building. Suppose I want to go to Nanamani College of Technology. I just go to the Google map and I put that value. Immediately it will shows the distance. All the things are available in the Google map. Even though you are using augmented reality, it will shows the road map as well as the building view also. That is the most advantage of the augmented reality application. The next one, virtual reality. So virtual reality refers to a computer generated simulation in the which a person can interact with an artificial three-dimensional environment using electronic devices, screens, and with the help of sensors. You see this picture in front of, there is no butterfly available, but using this virtual reality, the person, he can feel, you look his face, he enjoying and he saw the, he admiring the butterfly flying in the sky. So this is the one of the most beautiful advantage of the virtual reality. The object is not present, but the sensible devices and the sound system will give the feelings. It may be real. So, already the person they are discussed about the difference between the virtual reality and augmented reality. So, I don't want to explain about this one. This is a comparative picture, augmented reality versus virtual reality. In augmented reality, you see this boiler sections in mechanical operated plant. But in education virtual rooms, using this display system, they can explain the project. Now, we are going to see about the wireless virtual reality. The wireless virtual reality technology enables wire-free VR experience that visual identity being connected. The unique XR code compression technology is used in the VR head-mounted display and gaming PC without compromising the video quality. And also, we want to consider the frame rate of the video also. That is the main application of the wireless VR. Previously, I discussed about the wired things. Now, we are going to discuss about the wireless virtual request. Here, XR is nothing but the combination of augmented reality and virtual reality. Otherwise, we can say mixed reality. Here, X is nothing but combination of both. It is called mixed reality or X reality. Here, we are using HMD is nothing but it's a display system. We are already seen in the previous slides. The mixed reality system is nothing but the real-time environment is connected with the augmented reality. Similarly, the virtual environment also connected with the augmented reality. It will give more clarity about the object. So that is the advantages of the mixed reality. It is called MR. In this mixed reality, we want to follow 3G system, mixed reality system, and 4G system also we are using. This is the most important parameter. It is also called as hybrid reality because augmented reality will give one kind of clarity, then virtual reality it will give one kind of clarity. These two things are combined together, it will form a hybrid reality in the VR and AR. Microsoft HoloLens is the great example for this type of AR VR tool. It is used for solve so many problems in the mathematical operations and business lines. So this is the picture of the Microsoft HoloLens used to study the patients in the hospital. Application of the business. You see, in this case, mostly nowadays we are using VR AR. It is shortly called as MR. It is used for training, retailer, marketing, remote work, real estate, and entertainment. Mostly in education system, in medical training facilities, most of the education system, they are using this kind of MR system for analyze the biomedical things. Then retailer, you know very well, is purely marketing based. Then in engineering departments like electrical, mechanical, and civil engineering, they are using this MR for repairing and maintenance. In civil engineering, they are using designs and modeling. In one of the best advantage of the system is in tourism system. I give one this example. Very soon our Facebook is going to give the value added service to our people. AR VR tool is inbuilt with the Facebook page. Suppose a group of peoples, they want to travel from India to US. They want to see the seashore area and some other place. Only one person he left out from India. Using this VR AR technology, they could not. They also him also connected through the VR AR. He also enjoying the same situation. Suppose they are having the devices connected with the head, then the person who is living in India, he also connected the sensor, camera, and sound system. He also feel the same enjoyment sitting in his room. Very soon, the Facebook is going to launch these facilities in our Facebook account. So this is one of the beautiest thing for the tourism sector because of the COVID, this technology is implemented means it will give more revenue of the tourism sectors. Then come to the classroom environment. Nowadays we are giving the demonstration session, we are using animation. Now AR VR is going to replace this animation, and it will give the real-time exposure environment in the classroom. One more thing, these systems are going to implement in the real-time system. The classroom requirement may be eliminated very soon, because just the devices are connected with wearable device. The devices also in the shape of only wearable devices, like the sensors, cameras, and all the things are just we can wearable in our body. It is enough to connect the source. So very soon, the classroom environment may be eliminated. The next one, in industrial things, field service applications are monitored by the AR VR applications. Then next one is called entertainment properties. You know very well. Suppose we could not able to see the dinosaur in real time, but using this VR AR technology, we just visibly feel the shape of the dinosaur in real time. It is possible. So it's a very good entertainment things. Then public safety sector also enroll in the AR VR applications in very soon. So merged reality will impact everyone and everything. We could not able to say the particular limitations of this MR applications. We can use several number of field. As I told already, mostly it is used for medical applications, design modeling, tourism, and entertainment purpose. And working professional also, you can help fitness and those who are disabled persons also, they can use this technology for their life. This is the few devices which we are used in the virtual reality head-mounted devices. Top 4 devices are used for virtual reality. Google also having the cardboard. Then augmented reality, we are behind 3 type of devices: Microsoft, Magic Leap, and Mira also used for augmented reality. These are the devices which is used with the software development. We can enjoy the real-time world. This is the another devices which is used in the major devices used for AR VR. And the Facebook also going to use this technology. The Microsoft also developed, Google also using developed the Daydream, HP also developed, Sony also developed the Power Station VR. In this wireless technology, previously I told RPG signals. RPG signals is picture quality is only 720 MB, but in this wireless high definition interface, it is called WHDI. Technology is used in high quality video and audio within the multimedia network house. We can say nowadays we are using HD camera, no? It is more or less equal to wireless HDI. In this wireless HDI, we are using HD resolutions. Required bandwidth is 1 Gbps. The minimum requirement. Up to 3 Gbps is required for operating this type of MR technologies. Here, the video signal is depends upon the frame rate per second, and this depends upon the bandwidth requirement of the device. The mainly the bit transfer data is the very important parameter in the augmented reality system. In some cases, we are giving one input, collecting many outputs. In this case, we need high power data transmission system. So for that purpose only we are using MINO, multi-input, multi-output devices. The required wireless bandwidth frequency is 5 GHz. So why we are using high frequency range means we are using high frequency range, we can reduce the data loss, otherwise power loss. Dear participants, please, it's a very important thing. The one of the major disadvantages of the system is whenever we are going to choose the wireless data transmission system, we want to consider the power pack of the element. Suppose you consider our mobile phone, we are using mobile data immediately, so you can on the mobile data using browser or using YouTube. You are watching YouTube, immediately the battery capacity is suddenly it will come down. What is the reason means depends upon the number of data what we are using. According to the data usage, the power bank reduce the power. So that is the main drawback of the wireless technology system, because here we are using 1080 pixels for the HD camera. So it is required more number of data. So it will drain the battery. In the existing standards called wireless HD operations, it is called 60 GHz bandwidth with 7 GHz channel bandwidth. So 60 GHz is the operating frequency, 7 GHz is the channel bandwidth. Here, please understand this 7 GHz channel bandwidth is consuming more power. So it is required the data rate from 4 Gbps to 25 Gbps. So that is the main drawback of the current scenario. We are using 4G system. In sometimes we are not able to achieve this 25 Gbps system. Our augmented reality output maybe get delay. So that is the main drawback of the system. Then next one important parameter is the battery drain value also. So for that purpose, we are using lithium polymer batteries. We are using lithium polymer batteries for the power bank for the devices. In this HMD systems, we are using Wi-Fi wireless technology and MPEG-4 technologies. You heard about the MPEG-4 technologies. MPEG-4 technology is nothing but what we are using in our day-to-day DTH system used in our home. In our house, we are using disconnections. We are using MPEG-4 technology. That MPEG-4 technology having high quality bandwidth with video compression, and also having one important advantage is called encrypted and decrypted also possible using this MPEG-4 technology. All the television channels are nowadays they are using MPEG-4 technologies. Encrypted and decrypted means the data what we are what we want to transfer the data. For example, I want to send the hello word data from transmitter to receiver end. It will reach transmitter to receiver, but that should be encrypted, means some other codes also merged with the real-time data in the transmission side. We could not receive the signal from the receiving side. Once you are decrypted the signals, we can split the hello message to the receiving side. It is possible. I think you are understand the things or not. It's very simple. It's a digital lock. In nowadays, all the cable operator companies like Dish TV, Sun Direct, Data Sky, all the satellite cable TV also, they are using encrypted channels. Sometimes we didn't pay the amount, automatically they will cut the channel. It is possible only using encrypted and decrypted signals. So it's the same technology is also implemented in the augmented reality system. Here the resolution of the camera quality is normally 1280 or 1080 pixels. It is depends upon the camera quality. In the first generation wireless system, the best example is ZWD 2500 make. It is made by Jinwell. It having two devices. One is called transmitter system. Another one is called receiving system. In this transmission system, it having 4 port. I already mentioned RCA and HDMI. Both features are available in the Jinwell ZW 2500 make. Here 2500T is called a transmission system. The signal is transmitted via 2 HD port as well as 2 RCA video ports. So it having 4 ports. So depends upon the application, we can use 1 port or 2 port or multi-port. Then similarly, in the receiving end, we are using ZWD 2500R. The operating byte is 1.5 Gbps. The pixel quality is 1080. Then the video frame rate is 30 Hertz. I already told in this 2 hardware devices, we are using lithium ion polymer as a accumulator. The accumulator gives the supply to the hardware devices. Why we are using lithium polymer battery means the lithium polymer battery having a large number of duty cycles. That means we can charge and discharge in more than 1200 times. Instead of lead acid battery we are using means only it will give 600 plus duty cycles only. The life cycle of the battery is maximized using lithium ion polymer batteries. Nowadays in VR applications, eMargin Z800 3D hardware devices used in the real-time applications incorporated with 800 into 600 pixel using OLED display driven with the 85 Hertz frame rate in the latest version. In teaching scenario, most of the education sectors, they are using 3D kind of HDM projectors and operations used in the demonstration purpose. So we are using AR in 3D objects with the hardware devices for the teaching scenarios. So this is the one of the best example for 3D image capture and display system. It is called Magic Leap of hand mounted virtual reality display. It is called Magic Leap, which superimpose the 3D computer generated image, the real world objects. It is visibly sensed by the eyes as a sensor. This is the latest system used in the augmented reality purpose. I told previously the wireless technology overview. One of the most drawback of the system is this 4 Gbps to minimum 4 Gbps to 5 Gbps for single system. It is the main drawback of the AR VR system in IoT applications. So that's why we are in need to switch over to 4G system to 5G system. We can extend the reality using 5G system. So using AR VR we can get MR. Using 5G system the bandwidth is not issue for the MR applications. As I already told, using 5G system the bandwidth is very high. So medical, entertainment, military training, engineering designs, robotic and telerobotics, manufacturing, maintenance and repair, consumer designs, hazard detections and audio analysis applications is very easy using 5G data. Then in this AR VR is used in the medical data analysis. You see this picture, you can easily understand how it is work. Then video gaming is one of the most entertainment object using AR VR. Then as I already told, this is one type of display system. It is used in the defense to find out the object in accurate manner. So that is one of the main application. In education system, we using this AR VR, you can easily understand the concept in accurate manner. The learning benefits of the augmented reality in education system is content awareness is increased, learning specialty structure and functions will be increased, learning the language communities, long-term memory reduction is possible, improve the physical performance also possible. Then wireless communication system is very easy. Then student motivations also increase using these virtual reality applications. For the long-term analysis of the devices, these are the few tools which is used in the AR VR technologies for increasing and decrease the value of the applications. So Google Class is one of the main application of the things. Then Magical Leap also one of the tool which is used, which is the software tool which is used with the help of sensing device. AR technology will be increased. Then using MR technology in 5G applications, offline sharing of 3D objects is not required. Real-time XR sharing is possible. Multimedia streaming is very easy. Online gaming is also very easy. Industrial services also very easy. MR conference will give more understanding about the concept. Then in separate multi-party audio also possible. These are the main advantage while we are using 5G system in the MR applications. So in future, these are the devices are connected, integrated with the cloud computing. Then one more thing I want to forget, using blockchain and machine learning algorithms are included in the cloud computing. These VR, AR also connected to the network. It will give the most impact in future. The trending technology which is used in the AR VR applications, you know very well about the things. Now cloud and edge computing is implemented in the 5G network operator. The edge platform is very useful for interact with the 5G operating devices. The fast transfer rating of the result is very high using big data and artificial intelligence techniques with the edge platform. I think in future, with the help of 5G network and edge platform, using machine learning or blockchain technology is going to occupy the real-time world to for the purpose of analysis and studies. So this is our main role of edge computing technology. Now you can easily understand the things. What is XR? XR is nothing but the combination of virtual reality and augmented reality. These things are mixed. It will give the 100% reality output. So that is called XR output. So this is the things used in the AR VR display systems in educational purpose. Consider the department-wise applications. Lot of tools are available in the open source. Better you can extract the things, enjoy the benefits. Here, I'm going to Madam, it is visible for you?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You see, I occupy 2 more minutes. This is the picture. You see here we are using Google Earth virtual reality. You see, this is the things we having 3 options. One is called walk around the world. You see this one. Just he shake the face, automatically he saw he seeing the buildings. So just he wearing the display system. Now he is using this stick. He flying in the mount. Here we having video as well as audio. That girl, he enjoy the real time system sitting in his room itself. So that is the main application of VR. The next one, in augmented reality, suppose I want to go to the particular house. You previously in Google Map we just see the path lines, but in this augmented reality we can easily gather the most data, the including the picture of the house, number of the detail of the building, then distance of the object, all the things.
So, dear participants, wait for a while. Sir will join. Sir? Sir, unmute your mic, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Madam, I complete my session, ma'am.
Oh, completed, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, participants, do you have any queries? You can ask now. Participants, dear participants, if you have any queries, so kindly ask now.
Sir, no queries, sir. Session is very informative and then useful to get more knowledge on specific topics that you have mentioned in the slide presentation, sir. And only the query what I am having is what is meant by XR, sir? Because in a diagram you represented XR. What is meant by
Sir,
XR?
actually, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will explain, sir. Actually, we are using augmented reality is one kind of application. then virtual reality is one kind of application.
Sir.
In some of the applications, for example, I want to teach I'm belongs to electrical department. I'm going to explain about the working principle of motor to my student. So on the time, I would not able to use the real-time motors, but using simulator I can run the motor.
Okay, sir.
This is called virtual reality. Then similar time I'm using augmented reality also. For example, I want to open that motor while that the motor is running. The motor is simulated, it is rotating. During the time, what are the inner parts present in the motor? I want to open the inner side parts using augmented reality method. These two combinations are called mixed reality. This mixed reality is known as XR.
Okay, sir. Okay,
XR is nothing but what are the things we want to mix it. Not only in virtual reality, some cases we are using some virtual data also in database also.
Okay,
what is the RPM of the motor? What is the temperature present in the motor with the real-time argument or virtual argument? It is called XR.
Okay.
The X means what are the parameters you are considered, that is called X.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is a wide area. Open sources are available. We can use this open source. We can update the knowledge, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Professor, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Go for vote of thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, it's time for vote of thanks. Sir, personally, I thank you very much for the wonderful session. Thank you so much for the excellent session for all the participants. On behalf of all the participants, we wish to thank you on behalf of CSE department and participants were from various institutions. And also we learned about augmented reality applications very well. Once again, I extended my thanks to all for your kind cooperation. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
For giving the wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, dear participants, the feedback link will be available in the chat box. Kindly fill up the feedback form. The next session will start at 2 o'clock. So, all of you kindly join 1:50 p.m. Thank you.